Hello everyone, my name is Comet and welcome back to another Unity Expert video. Today we're going to show you how to invite and set up invite tracker. So first things first, we're going to have to create a new channel, which is invite tracker logs, to log everything that's going on. And then we obviously have to go to invitetracker.com, invite the bot, go to dashboard, press configure. We'll go down to invite tracking. And the first thing I do is usually have a label. So specific invite codes can have specific labels with the bot. So I go down to invites, and then we have this infinite use, never expires invite code, which would be the main code that we put on websites like Discord and stuff like that, or in descriptions of the YouTube channel if it's a content creator, stuff like that. So we take this code, we come here, we put the code, and then we say main invite link. That way, if anyone joins using this invite link that we use everywhere, we know that they joined through a main one. If it says anything other than main invite link, then we can investigate, see if someone else is inviting people, if there's a raid going on, stuff like that. Next, we're going to go into join messages, enable them, put the channel as invite tracker logs, and enable it. We're going to set it as normal. We're going to test the message. So now, whenever anyone joins, it says their username, who they're invited by, and how many invites that person has. Now we're gonna go and add leaves. Now, you don't have to do this, but we usually enable them. So whenever someone leaves, it also sends a message. So we'll enable it, go down to invite tracker, and then we're gonna test the message. Okay, there it works. So these are the very, very basic features that we use invite tracker for. We don't use this for anything else, but I'll go through the other things that are very useful that you can use invite tracker with. For example, verification. We don't use this bot for verification, but you can if you want to. You can enable it. They can do button, captcha, or website verification, and the timeout. You can change the timeout. So if they don't do the verification correctly, if they don't pass it, they have an 180-second timeout. The role that the bot will grant them once they're done, which channel is the verification channel, and then verification logs. But if you want to use this bot just for invite tracking, this is how that works. And let me show you how invite tracking works 100%. So let's watch this channel, and I'm going to be joining on another account. As you can see, once I joined, I've been invited by the account and has one invite. If you want this to also ping the person so you can click on it, you can do the following: join messages by inviter mention. Right, if that's correct. Yeah, so you can just copy this as well if you don't want to mess up. By inviter mention, save changes, test. There we go. So now, whenever someone gets invited, it will ping the actual person who invited them. Night Sky Comet has been invited by Siege Saturn and has now 1 invite. We can also run certain commands. You can add certain invites. Now, fake invites are basically invites that if someone is, for example, if someone is younger, if an account is younger than 3 days, it will count as a fake invite. And you can't change this unless you have premium. So anyone that has fake invites means they've been inviting people that have accounts with 3 or less days as their age. So you can add bonus invites, fake invites, regular invites. You can add messages to a user. You can delete an invite. Now, the only commands you're going to be using are leaderboard invites. Once you search that, boom, you can see the top invites. Obviously, there's only going to be 2 people because there's only 2 accounts in the server that are not bots. There we go. Siege Saturn being the first. This account that I'm on right now, which invited Night Sky Comet. It has 1 invite, which is regular. And the stats command. Stats combined, or stats leave / stats joined, and it'll show you how many people have left, joined, or both. Those are the only 2 commands you're going to be using. So now every time someone joins or leaves, it'll send a message in here, and then you can use these 2 commands to check things even more. I'll show you how it looks like if someone leaves. I will leave on the account that joined. Boom. Obviously it can't ping because the person has left, but Night Sky Comet has left the server and they were invited by this person. And now if we do leaderboard invites, now it shows 1 regular, 1 left, which now equals to 0, and then 0 invites for both. So every time someone joins, it adds by 1. Every time someone leaves, it removes by 1, because technically the person they invited left, so it doesn't really count as them having this many people invited into the server. And that's the entire setup. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.